You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing name. If you want to learn more confusing names, more vocabulary and pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced in British English as Hattie. Yes, in American English, the pronunciation is a little bit different, using a flap T that sounds like a D. And therefore, in the US, the pronunciation is more often pronounced as Hattie, Hattie, or Hattie. Do you say it Haiti or Haiti? Let us know in the comments if your pronunciation is anything different from Hattie, and why and how. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.